So क्या क्या पैक किए हो?
My trolley one, trolley two, trolley three और trolley four तुम्हारे पास ये बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay.
Hello. So we are all set to go to Austria. So in Austria we are going to visit two places. One is Hallstatt, which is one of the world's top 10 heritages in the world, and there we are going to explore 2 days, and on the third day we are going to explore Salzburg, so which is yet another beautiful city in the country of Austria. So this is our plan. So I'll try to vlog throughout the journey, and let's see how it goes. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. We are very near to Hallstatt, I think a few kilometers away. So in 40 minutes we will be reaching Hallstatt, and I'm already enjoying the breathtaking views of this Austrian Alps. Okay, so now we are in Hallstatt finally. So we have got into our hotel and we had completed our lunch, lemon rice, what we got packed from our home, and yeah, now here we are strolling in the streets of Hallstatt. So it's very beautiful already. So due to the lack of time, we thought of skipping Salzburg because it's anyways like it's a guided tour, and we don't have much time to go and spend 3 hours. So we thought that we would explore Hallstatt by just walking the entire town here. You can already see there's a beautiful lake or river which is flowing behind here, and there's an old Alps behind me. Not only behind me, around me.
I'll be flying my drone in some time to show you around the entire place.
So here we are on the top of the skywalk, which is in Hallstatt. So here we have lake which is surrounding so many meters down, and there are a lot of touristy crowds.
On the top of Hallstatt, that is Dachstein. This is at 2,100 meters, that is literally 2.1 kilometer from the ground. And just look at this. Let me take you to the restaurant. Follow me. Come. Tell me how do you feel and you're entering here?
I'm literally feeling I'm in some heaven. Now we are here to take see, it's completely visibility is very low, but still have the restaurant. So we are now going into it and have a cup of coffee.
So here we are at the restaurant, and we are having a little bit of cake with cream and cappuccino, hot, and pasta because we had only this option. And then now see the out. It's in minus. You can't see anything literally. Oh my God! Look at this. Look at that. It's
we are on the clouds and there is no visibility here.
So we will go a little bit ahead because it is storm outside. It's getting even worse. So we'll go a little bit ahead and then we'll return.
They say one day you leave this world behind.
Exactly.
So live a life you will
Remember. So how do you feel? Great?
I am literally on the clouds, so there's no words to express because the maximum words is to express on the clouds. So I am literally on the clouds today.
We're moving back. Oh my god. I look like I have grey hairs. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Great. देसी खाना. आ जाओ देखते हैं क्या है देसी खाने में. Perfect.
So we are now in Salzburg.
Yep.
The city is famous for Mozart birthplace. So after 2 days in Hallstatt, today we are feeling like we are back in city where there is so much life, fun
People.
happening. Yeah.
You can see people.
You can see
show
people.
around.
I think तुम इसी के ऊपर ही भेजेगा.